Give me the best of the Bentley. Yes, I got cake and it's loads of fame. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today's video is sponsored by Nume. They do offer curling wands, hair straighteners, and so much more. And they are high quality. So today we do have the Pentacle wand, which is also a 2-in-1. So you can use it as a curling wand, or you can use it as a crimper or waver. And I just love the packaging. I love that it's all black. I love that the handle has a matte finish. And honestly, guys, this is very high quality. It gets very hot. It also comes with a glove to protect you from the heat. And yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the ending result of me using the iron from Nume. I personally love this 2-in-1 waver. So not only do you get to use it as a deep waver or crimps like some people will call it, you can also use it as a wand. So you can lock it or unlock it, and you basically can use it as a wand, and I love that. I didn't show that this time. As you guys can see, this is the finishing result. I love how it did the hair. I felt like, I don't know, like this, I have a crimper already and it's nothing like this. So this is the Pentacle 2-in-1 deep waver and curling wand. The normal price for this would be $139, but right now it's on sale for $128. I'll also leave my code down below, guys, and on the screen, so that you guys can save money as well and let them know that I sent you. But I totally love this, and it also comes with the glove. I love this so much. As you guys can see, I feel like it didn't burn the hair. It didn't make the hair feel anyway. If anything, it made the hair feel softer, and that's weird, but it made the hair feel softer. It brought my wig back to life. I had this unit since 2021 and it actually brought it back to life. So if you guys are interested, I think we should invest in our tools for our hair, or else you'll just have a whole stack like me that just don't do the job, don't do the trick. Okay, so this right here is most definitely something that I think everyone should have. A lot of girls are liking the whole deep wave crimper look, and then why not have a 2-in-1? You know, like, I don't know, I personally love it. It goes up to, I think, $415, $420. I love it. I did throw the box away, but I personally love it. And yes,
bitch is gon' be